This e-commerce strategy that I'm about to walk you through has personally made me over $1 million in dropshipping and has helped my students generate over tens of millions of dollars in sales. And today, I'm going to break it down for you for free. So stick with me till the end because I'm also showing you the exact ad structure they use to print money. And it's not what most gurus are teaching in 2026. Let's get into it. The 50 million strategy shift, why most stores stay stuck. Before I show you the brand that did over 50 million in sales, I need you to understand why 99% of dropshippers cap out at 5K, 10K, maybe even 30K, and they can't break past it. Most people think they need a better ad. They don't. What they actually need is alignment. And until you understand that, you'll keep refreshing your Shopify dashboard wondering why nothing scales. I literally went from having zero money in 2020 to 100,000 in 3 months while being part of the Supreme Ecom Mentorship Program. The strategy shift I learned is this: stop being a dropshipper, start being a system builder. Nathan and Sons proves it. Using the same Shopify, the same Facebook, and the same suppliers everyone else has access to, but they align all 3 layers and print 50 million. While everyone else was chasing the next viral product, Nathan and Sons engineered a product that actually scales. Here's what they got right. Now, this is exactly how I break down products with my students. We don't just look at if it's selling, we break down why it can scale. Because scaling isn't about getting a few sales, it's about building something that keeps selling. And Nathan and Sons nailed it on multiple levels. So I'm sharing the screen for we can review this website. We made it to the landing page, and this is the specific landing page where they direct all their specific traffic from Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. So in this specific page, they're selling their product for $31.49 based on a subscription-based product. If they just want to buy it one time, it would be $44.99, which this is an option we love to have whenever we're selling products, subscription-based products. Each month, customers are gonna get automatically billed for this product and get delivered to their home. People typically want to remillinarize and have healthy teeth. People use gum every day. It's not a one-time purchase. It becomes part of their routine. That means consistent demand. When it runs out, they can buy it again. That's the game. A $25 customer can be turned into a $100 customer over time. And now you can spend more on ads and still profit on a monthly basis. They're not selling gum, they're selling focus, energy, confidence, and health. It's something you put in your body, so trust matters. But once they trust you, they keep buying. Most people avoid this, that's why there's less competition. This isn't just a product, it's built to bring customers back again and again. That's how you scale. Most dropshipping stores look like every other dropshipping store. White background, one product image, a couple of tags saying buy now, super basic. But the viewer's brain is trained to spot these in 2 seconds and bounce. It's why your conversion rate is sitting at 0.8. No matter how good your traffic is, Nathan and Sons doesn't just sell gum, they sell certainty. And they know this, which is why they built into every page. They teach you about ingredients before they sell to you. As you can see, they're educating you, letting you know what minerals this gum comes with. Testimonials, reviews, UGC stacked through every single page. As you can see, they have over 14,000 reviews with a 4.8 rating. People are talking positive about this product. This gum is pleasant because it has so many different benefits. Flavor and texture is great. Great gum. This is actually really good. Positive feedback in the reviews, which is very, very important. You want to let customers know what people have to say about the product. That's something that influences them to buy. We don't like to just put the best images, the best descriptions at the bottom of the page where 90% of drop shippers dump them. Ingredient transparency. They openly explain what's in it, what each thing does, where it's sourced. This kills skepticism instantly. Bundles, subscriptions, buy 3, save 20% off. $25 customer becomes a $90 customer at checkout. The single thing that 3x's the margin. The entire reason Nathan and Sons works isn't just that the product is good or that the store is good. It's that they've looked into each other. And once you see, you can unseen it. Most beginners build random stores. Nothing is tailored to the product. Then they wonder why their product page feels generic and why it's barely converting. Your store should be built around the product, not just something you plug the product into. The product needs trust. The store removes skepticism with education and transparency. The product is daily use. The store reinforces long-term value through subscription. The product has emotional drivers, health, confidence, energy. The store builds identity. The store is one of the most important and most overlooked pieces of actually converting traffic and scaling past 6 figures. If you don't know how to apply this exact formula, your store won't convert no matter how good your products or ads are. The good news is we have AI now to do 90% of the heavy lifting for you, which makes this 100% easier than when I started. So if you're looking to launch a profitable AI Shopify store in the next 90 days, click the link below in the description to work with us directly. We'll walk you through the exact system that has already helped students like a 14-year-old that hit 60K in 90 days. Now let's get into how to scale the ads. Let me show you the actual ads they're running. They're way simpler than you expected. These are exactly why they print. So this is the Facebook ad library. Most dropshippers think a winning ad means flashy edits, hype voiceovers, limited time offers. That worked in 2019. This is why your CPMs are climbing up in 2026. The new game is education and transparency. And the people winning are the ones who realize that. Here's the exact structure Nathan and Sons uses basically on every single winning creative. Hook equals curiosity. They open with an ingredient question or a misconception about gum and health. It's a pattern interrupt because it doesn't feel like an ad.
Imagine drinking gasoline and lighting it on fire while someone attaches jumper cables to your teeth while simultaneously.
These are very strong hooks.
I still see a ton of people commenting that they think we're only selling 1 pack of gum for $32. I wanted to clarify that you actually get 4 packs of gum. This means that each pack costs about $8 without a sale, and in total there are 72 pieces. I get where you're coming from, since it costs more than gas station gum, but that's a trade-off for using natural and functional ingredient.
Education equals the how. They walk through the ingredient and the process and the why. The viewer feels smarter for watching. Proof equals reviews, results, science. They stack credibility before they ever ask for the sell. A good CTA is this. If this resonates, here's where to try it. No pressure, no hype, just logical next steps. Look, this is the part of the video where most dropshippers click off because data sounds boring. Don't. This is literally the only difference between a brand stuck at 30K a month and a brand printing 5 million a month. Stay with me for 90 seconds because here's how the top brands iterate creatives. Find and control, clone the ad that's working, iterate one variable at a time. A new hook, same body. New thumbnail, same script. New angle, same proof. This is how you learn what's actually moving the needle. Track the right metrics. The CTR, is the hook working? The CPCs, is the link click cheap? CPA, is the funnel converting? Most dropshippers stare at a ROAS and miss everything else. Scale the winners systematically. When a variant beats control, that becomes a new control. Then iterate on that. Compounding wins. So now you've seen the full system, but there's one final principle that ties everything together, and it's the one shift that will separate you from 99% of the people watching this video right now. Here's the truth. Most e-com gurus won't tell you. Nathan and Sons isn't a store, it's a system. And the second you start thinking like a system builder instead of a dropshipper chases, always looking for the next product, the next ad, the next hack. They're always restarting, guessing, always trying to catch the next wave. A system builder builds. They build something that compounds month after month, year after year, something that grows even when they're not working. A dropshipper has a job, they only get paid when they're active. A system builder has an asset, something that works for them, not the other way around. And here's the thing nobody talks about. The dropshipper grinds 12 hours a day and burns out by year 2. The system builder works less every single month because the system is doing the heavy lifting. My dropshipping journey started in this mentorship program where I was able to scale my store to 100,000 in 3 months by having the correct mentors. And that's the entire $50 million strategy. And if you want me to walk you through this entire system step by step from the product to the store, to the ads, to scaling, make sure to click the link in the description to work with me directly. Thank you for watching.